Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what Tangerine Bank is and how Tangerine Banking works. Tangerine Bank is a prominent Canadian direct digital bank operating as a wholly owned subsidiary of Scotiabank. Originally launched in 1997 as ING Direct Canada, before being acquired and rebranded, Tangerine functions entirely without traditional brick-and-mortar bank branches. By cutting down on the overhead expenses associated with physical infrastructure, the institution passes those savings on to its clients through high interest yields, low fees, and accessible everyday banking solutions. How Tangerine Banking works is centered entirely around digital platforms, primarily mobile applications and online web portals. Because physical branches do not exist in the traditional sense, clients manage their accounts remotely. Account holders can open checking and savings accounts, apply for mortgages, invest in guaranteed investment certificates, and handle mutual fund portfolios or credit card products directly from their devices. For everyday transactional needs, the process is streamlined. Clients can deposit checks simply by taking a photograph through the mobile app, transfer funds electronically via Interac e-Transfer, and execute automated savings plans. Even though it is a digital-first institution, users are not cut off from physical cash access. Through its parent company relationship with Scotiabank, Tangerine clients gain fee-free access to thousands of ABMs across Canada and partner networks globally. Customer support is similarly adapted to modern demands, handled remotely through telephone banking, secure online chat, and digital assistance, supplemented by a few select physical cafes in major cities for specialized consultations. By prioritizing automated, digital workflows, transparent fee structures, and competitive interest rates, Tangerine delivers a complete alternative to traditional commercial banking. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.